Welcome to Burlap Teachers. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to study science and tech. Start by organizing your topics into modules and set clear, achievable goals each week. Break study into focused blocks for reading, experiments, and active review. Use active recall and spaced repetition to strengthen memory and skills. Practice explaining ideas aloud and teach peers to test mastery. Use active techniques to turn passive reading into lasting knowledge. Create flashcards, solve graded problems, and run quick experiments or simulations to test ideas. Combine problem solving with writing concise summaries and self-quizzes to measure progress. Record your explanations and listen back to catch weak areas. Rotate topics each week to reinforce connections across subjects and prevent burnout. Adopt tools that match your learning style and goals, like simulations for physics or notebooks for coding. Balance foundational textbooks with targeted online courses and concise papers for updates. Use version notes, searchable digital flashcards, and timed practice sessions to track improvement. Build a small, reliable toolkit of apps and hardware you use regularly, and revisit resources often to deepen practical competence and confidence.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if this video helped you.